Yeah, oh, Christmas is coming, yep. Time to get excited. Thank you. Okay, perfect. What's that? I do have a camera, yeah. Rode around and fell in love. What's that? You like it? Yeah, it's nice, huh? Yeah, it is. Oh, it's parts to fix your water heater. Whoa, 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 whoa. Thank you. What's that?
Are you fixing something?
Yeah, I'm gonna fix your water heater so you can have hot water. You want hot water, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be nice, huh? Yeah, I gotta get you.
There's wet enough.
What?
There's so many wet enough.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, there's so many rats.
Oh no.
We gotta kill them.
Yeah, it'd be good if we could kill them. I would definitely like to kill the rats for you. Alright, so we got a code 7. We're going to change the valve. Shut the gas off. How are you? With my gloves. I got gloves on. I'm sorry? Yeah, they're blue, huh?
And light blue.
Yeah, yeah. Got the cover off. This valve out of here. Get me out of here. There we go. Okay, this is a replacement valve. Right here. Just took it out of the well housing, which is right here. It's got a different cover or a different motherboard, so I'm going to have to replace that. I've learned that when replacing the valves on a Code 7, you always want to do the motherboard too, so that way you don't have to come back. And I think that's what we want. How are you? What's that? Hi, how are you?
There's so many rats.
So many what?
Many rats.
Rats?
Yeah.
Oh no, we don't like rats.
And look at them.
Yeah, we don't like them at all.
I don't like that too.
Yeah, well, I need that, sweetheart. Thank you.
This is weird. The one blue. Rat! I know that's you.
Yeah, we don't want to call the rats.
Yeah.
We definitely don't want the rats coming.
Yeah, the rats can always eat them.
Yeah, you don't want to summon the rats.
Yeah, me too. Maybe it'll make the mercury. The mercury will be broken.
Yeah?
There's something too right here.
No, I need my screwdriver. Thank you. Thank you.
There's a little bit.
That's very nice of you. So we're just going to reinstall the old cover so we can get the heck out. I'll leave the valve here. Super nice little girl, but she is kind of into all my tools, and I'm kind of afraid to leave them lying around while I'm out in the truck.
We don't like the rats.
No, we don't. We hate the rats.
I hate the rats.
Yeah.
They're so cute.
We definitely don't like the rats. You take a shower? I'll get you some hot water here so you can take a shower. You like that?
I don't like it. I don't like hot water.
You don't like hot water?
I like cool water.
You like cool water?
Yeah.
Well, what am I doing here then?
I like hot water.
Yeah. Oh, okay. All right. Well,
Cool water.
you can always take a shower with cool water or hot water. So you got a choice. You got a choice.
I would take a big car and
My dog isn't gonna come in here, is he? It's like maybe he wants to.
let us dog come to.
No, we don't want the dog coming in. I guarantee you. I know I don't want that dog coming in. The camera?
Yeah, it's a camera.
The camera, I have a...
To the pipe and
Do you ever watch YouTube? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a channel. I got a YouTube channel.
Which
What?
one?
Which channel? It's called The Water Heater Factory. Yeah, I'm sure you haven't seen it. You're not really my demographic. But maybe someday. Woo! So just trying to get that pilot light lit. Hopefully it's lit. I don't know if you can see. All right, we got blue. We got normal. We got normal operation.
I take a shower. I miss my dad and my mom.
What's that?
I miss my dad and my mom.
You miss your dad and your mom?
Yeah. I don't know how they're gonna come in 3 minutes.
Oh, I forgot the sensor.
Yeah, I just gotta wait. Because, oh no, Mommy's waiting. Do you have a home? Do you have a home?
Do I have a home? I do have a home, yeah.
Which home?
It's far away. It's not very far. It's like 8 miles away, probably.
What's your name?
My name's John.
My name is Cantarina.
Cantarina?
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you, Cantarina.
I like my sister and my dog. See my dog with so many bottles.
Boy, that's why he doesn't want to shut down.
I'm fixing the tables.
Ever. Put that back up there. We'll light it again. So I forgot to reconnect the sensor. Probably because I'm in a little bit of a hurry. I can't see back in there. Maybe you could see for me. Alright. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Alright, so it's flashing 9 times. That's what it remembers from the previous shutdown. Thanks to me, because I forgot to reconnect the sensor right here. We'll see if we can get it to fire up.
Hey, I'm on my phone with them. My phone is like in your box. In your box. I was not giving away yet, but no, God, I want him. It was that. I'm in my car.
Okay, so I'm going to change the cover. See if we can't get some. The water heater is not turning on.
It's still red.
Oh no, it's not good.
No, it's not red.
We don't like that. Can I see that?
Can I see a camera?
No, I'm filming right now. But I'll let you see it when I'm done. How's that sound?
I like it to have you too. Now how are we gonna have hot water in the
Well, we're working on the hot water.
I will go check up right out of there. I was said stop it though. I said stop it but
time, let's remember to put the sensor in.
How are we gonna check this? This is so wrong.
What's that?
Nothing. I'm taking some before you came. This will wait, what I can see this.
What's that?
I don't know where my mom and dad to see him to see what happens. What is this?
That's the igniter.
Yeah, that's a knife, I think. I can move this side. Can we move? You?
Well, just keep that there for me, alright? Thank you.
Are you tired?
Cantarina? Is that your name?
No.
Oh.
It's Cantarina.
Cantarina?
Yeah.
Cantarina. Okay.
Cantarina.
Alright, so we're getting
My name is No.
we're getting normal flash.
Are you tired?
Am I tired? I'm a little bit tired, yeah.
I can do this.
Okay. So water heater fired up. All the more reason to change the cover when you change the valve. Flashing normal operation. Yeah, you get that. So we will leave these someplace. And we're gonna put these back in here.